Hey, time for another lesson. Continuation of a lot of what we've been looking at, pentatonics over different chords. Today we're talking about pentatonics specifically over dominant chords, or seven chords, often referred to as blues chords, and what pentatonics you can put over them. And specifically, we're talking about stacking these pentatonic shapes, meaning having one right on top of the other. So, for example, if we have A7 or A dominant 7, that means that we can mix and match a minor pentatonic as well as a major pentatonic. So, for let's say major pentatonic, we could, if we wanted to use the standard box number 1, could put our pinky on A and play pentatonic shape 1. And if we wanted to play A minor pentatonic, we could play shape 1 with our index finger on A. So you could just take those two shapes, right, that one shape, but in two adjacent spots. However, the idea of stacking is what stops us from needing to move around the fretboard. So if we wanted to play a major pentatonic right here from A, we could play shape 2. So if we played shape 2 right from A, that would be our major pentatonic. And if we played shape 1 right here from A, that would be our minor pentatonic. So the idea is to use a little bit of both of them right there in that spot and not necessarily have to move across the fretboard, although that is cool too. So for example, major, minor, major, minor, a little bit of both. So stacking them on top of each other is the idea. And now I'm going to show you a little scale that I like to use all the time. It's not necessarily a specific scale. It's kind of a homemade recipe that mixes the two scales together that I use all the time when I see a dominant 7 chord pop up. But it does use one extra little trick. It uses the flat 5 blues note. So meaning, like if we play A minor pentatonic, the 5th of A is E, which is right here, and here's the flat 5 right here, E flat. So if we play the pentatonic with an E flat in it, we now have the blues note in there. So this will be a scale I use all the time that is a combination of major pentatonic, minor pentatonic, and that flat 5 blues note. So this is what it looks like. So pretty cool way of mixing and matching a little bit of all of the ideas. Major pentatonic, minor pentatonic, flat 5 blues note. So if you were in G7, you could use G major pentatonic, you could use G minor pentatonic, and you could also use that flat 5 note. And that would go for anything. You just move it to wherever that dominant chord is. So that's how we stack stack pentatonic shapes on top of each other when we see a dominant chord. You could also do this over a regular A chord. well, any major chord basically. It doesn't have to be the full dominant chord, but not necessarily the best idea for a minor chord, most commonly used on dominant chords.